Here are some of my World War I German flight helmets. You notice these two, they're pretty much the same helmet, except for the air flap is a little bit different, but they both have a rear flap. I've shown one buttoned and one unbuttoned. And then we're going to come over here. This is another type World War I German flight helmet. And another one that appears to have been a piece of leather added to the brim. Then we come down here. There's another one. This one's in mint condition. It's got a nice shearling lining. This one is like a woolish lining. It's not sheepskin, but it's something else. I don't know what you'd call it. But most of the German World War I helmets are the same. I try to get them with and without brims if I can find them. There are some out there. This one right here happens to have a plaid lining, as you can see here. But most of them are like a wool or some satiny finishes. Now I'll get into the ones that I have on the heads. You can see them a little bit better. This is a pretty early one. As you can see here, it's got a nice peak, and it's got 2 buttons for the neck flap. And they also have 6 grommets on each for the ears. Here's another one, similar to the first one, but it's only got a single button. Then we'll come over here to the third one. This is one without a brim on it. And we come down here and we notice that it's got a strap and a button. We come to the next one over here. It's got just a strap, and it's also very long, and it's trimmed with rabbit fur on the inside. One identical to the one I just showed you. This is the same type with the long back neck, like the first one here. And it's a velvet lining in this one. Now we'll come over to this one here. Just a single strap and a short neck in the back. Also, this one, pretty much the same style. And now we'll come down to my last one I'm going to show you now. This one looks like it's been homemade, put together, added pieces. Now the one thing about the German helmet is that they all have the cross strap on the top, such as this one here. They all go in this direction usually, and this one right next to it, you'll notice that the strap goes forward, which I've seen on very few. But most of the helmets that I try and purchase, World War I German, are the ones that are marked Prim, either Prim 2 or Brim 4 on the snaps. Just a good indication that it is World War I. Thanks for looking.